Hi guys, in this video NML versus deep learning. This topic very interesting to discussing with you guys. Thank you for watching first of all, and please subscribe my channel. And we previously so many topics we covered in NML. Please check it out in the description. And let's get start this video. And AI is a dream. Machine learning is a gym, and deep learning is steroids. Is not about a sentence, is a real word for me, and everything is AI in the present and future. And AI is any mission that does smart something smart. Even a rule based chess programming from 1997. In 1997 have a chess game, we automate that game. And machine learning, instead of writing rules and you show the computer thousands of examples and it figure it out the rules if itself. Machine learning is nothing but rules. We have so many parameters we have, so we train that machine and we perform that. That is nothing is machine learning. And deep learning, machine learning on steroid, using giant neural networks that can eat images and audios and text like a vacuum cleaner. Deep learning nothing but is storing every image audio text like vacuum cleaner. Like we have so many data is there in deep learning. And deep true is most AI products you see today are you just really good machine learning and true artificial general intelligence, the sky at stuff. This is exist still in the real smart product. And specific takeaway, calling everything AI is like a calling every vehicle a spaceship. Stop it, be specific. Unsupervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. So we can discuss this. And funny hook is three ways to raise a child or model. Supervised, helicopter parent, you give the kid question and the answer. This is a cat, this is a dog. Now classify these 100 photos. The supervisor is just a train as a this is a cat and this is a dog, and you classify the 100 photos. We can pass these 100 photos, and that 100 photos is separate classified to this cat, this dog. When cat is have a cat is have a small body and small legs and small is there. Dog is big legs and in body wise bigger than cat. So these are comparison. Sometimes dog also similar, that time of error is coming. Free range parenting and unsupervised learning is a free range of parenting. You dump 100,000 10,000 photos on the kid and say figure out the group yourself. Clustering, this is clustering guys. And reuniformment, video game parenting, the kind place you give a treats. And splash and utils become a good at the time. And this